Shenzhen and other special economic zones, with the past 40 years of practice of reform and opening up, have achieved great miracles and accumulated valuable experience, and deepened our understanding of rules in building a special economic zone of socialism with Chinese characteristics. First, we must adhere to the party's leadership and maintain the right direction of the development of the special economic zones. Second, we must adhere to and improve socialism with Chinese characteristics and make it even more mature and better established through reform. Third, we must carry out development with the courage to break the ground and to be the first, so that we could continue to lead the reform with breakthroughs, with innovative thinking. Fourth, we must adhere to the opening up in all-round way and enhance the attractiveness of bringing in and the competitiveness of going global. Fifth, we must persist in innovation as the primary driving force and to gain the lead in global scientific reform and industrial reform. Sixth, we must adhere to people-oriented approach in development so that the achievements of reform and development could benefit more people in a fairer and more equitable way. Seventh, we must adhere to scientific legislation, strict law enforcement, justice, and universal law abiding, and make rule of law the essential guarantee of the development of special economic zones. Eighth, we must follow the philosophy of lucid water and large mountains are invaluable assets to realize comprehensive, coordinated, and sustainable development in economy, society, and ecological environment. Ninth, we must comprehensively and accurately implement the basic principles of one country, two systems to promote inclusive and mutually reinforcing development among Chinese mainland, Hong Kong, and Macau. 10th, we must play a leading role as special economic zones in a nationwide blueprint and make due contribution for national development.